Lying hack squat. The muscle group we are targeting here is the lower body muscles, quads, hamstrings and glutes. To change the weight on this machine, you must ensure the machine is on the lower setting by getting in and releasing the safety levers and lowering the weight down, then reapplying the safety levers when on the bottom setting. From here, you can choose an appropriate weight by pressing the foot pedal and changing the weight pin. Now begin by placing your feet on the platform, shoulder width apart, ready to press through your mid-foot. Place your shoulders firmly in place under the cushions. Flick out the safety handles and begin the rep by pushing with your legs to push the shoulder pads backwards. It is important that you don't lock out your knees. Control the weight down to below 90 degrees, drive the weight back to the start position and repeat.